Today we're unboxing and trying out this USB handbrake we got from Amazon. I've gone 2 weeks on assetto drifting without a handbrake, so it's time to get one. There were some good reviews like works out of the box and some bad reviews like it's not flashed. So let's get into it. It's like mounting plate. It's gonna clamp onto there. Oh, so little.
Drip and drift.
No instructions came with it at all, but using my own intelligence and some of the photos from Amazon, I was able to figure 2 ways to mount it. You have one, which we are going to do, mounting it straight to the clamp, and our other way, if we have any problems with that, we'll be using that plate and sandwiching it in between the table and our shifter. These back ones were a little bit of a pain, but all good. Now it's time to mount it. I do like that it came with this little locking nut. Hopefully it helps. We're gonna clamp it on right in between there. So I heard something. Go to settings. Uh-oh. I didn't even do nothing. Alright. I believe access. Yes. Handbrake. Let's see. I tried to click to assign and tried putting it on the space bar, but it wouldn't register. So let's see. Waiting for input. Oh yes, it took it. Awesome. I didn't even have to do nothing. Sick. Let's just go right into it. The handbrake does have a pretty realistic feel, at least more realistic than my wheel and shifter. And as you saw, it was really easy to plug in and start playing. Slid it through, but we spun out right there. Now we are in Japan. We are in Meihan. These guys were going some weird way. And then the yellow S chassis just stopped. So I'm trying to keep up here. He is going fast. I'm doing alright, and then I was coming in too hot. Here we are at Euphoria Hillside Park. I don't know if this is a real place, but it was pretty dope. I like it a lot. A lot of quick turns, but whoop-ah. It's like I didn't even need to pull it. I just wanted to pull it.